السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. طلاب الصف الرابع بمدارس الأندلس. Hello, our students in grade 4 at Al-Andalus Complex. I hope you are doing well and everything is okay. First of all, today we have to learn about the differences between countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So here, countable means the thing that we can count, or the noun that we can count by adding or giving it a number before it, and after it add s. For example, if I say a chair, so I mean one chair, two chairs. So two chairs here are countable or plural. So a chair is a noun that we can count. So we can add number before it and add s at the end of it or after it. On the other hand, uncountable nouns is the opposite. So we can't add number before it, and we can't also add s to the end of the noun or after it. So if I say rice, rice, water, we can't say two waters, two water. We can't say that. We can say two rices. It's wrong, mistake here. So we say we have to add something here to make it correct. That's exactly what we are going to learn today, inshallah, and how to use them in English correctly. The countable nouns and the uncountable nouns. So let's look at these examples we have here. There is a peach in the bag. There is a peach in the bag. So if you have a in front of any noun, it means that noun is countable. That noun is countable. There is a peach, so I can remove a here and add three peaches. Okay, 3 or 4, any number that I want. Okay, also there are some peas in the bag. Some also refers to the countable nouns. The countable nouns. But some means there is some, more than one also. Some means, okay, number, but not too much. Maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, but not like 100. Okay. Uh, and as well, we use it with in front of the countable noun, but the only one. So what is the difference here between a and an? A and an. When do we use a, and when do we use an? Do you remember that I told you in the class the differences between them? As we said, we use an in front of the noun that starts with what? Perfect. That starts with vowels. Okay? Okay, when we say here, let's pronounce this word. It's omelette. Omelette. So omelette here starts with one of the vowels letter, which is O. We said O. So we can say a omelette. Perfect. So we need to add here an omelette. An omelette. But for peach, it's okay to say a peach, a chair, a bag, a book, a rat. It's okay with all alphabet or with all letters that are consonants. But with vowels, we have to say an apple, apple, an apple. Okay, an orange, an orange, an orange, an ice, and so on. As we said, some is different, a little bit different, because some means more than one, but not too much. Okay, for example, what do you need? I can say I need some butter for cake. So this example here refers to something is important, which is butter. Okay, butter here is uncountable noun. We said some, but we didn't add s. So butter is uncountable noun, which means that we can use some in front of the countable and also uncountable. But we can't use an or a before the uncountable nouns. Okay, let's look at the examples that we have or some exercises. Okay, and when we do exercises, we can easily answer or know the differences between them. Look at this. Read and write a or an or some. A, an, or some. Some in front of the countable or an uncountable nouns, but for countable, that something is more than one. Look at here, we need some flour. Flour here is uncountable, so we use some. And an egg. Why do we use an here, not a? Because egg starts with a vowel, and it's only one. Number two, who can answer it? There is apple on the table. Apple, apple, is, apple. One or more? Perfect. One. A or an? A. A? No. We have to use an. Exactly. So there is an apple on the table. That's perfect. Let's look at number three. Three starts with look. There is also coconut on that tree. So can we use an here? No, we have to use a coconut, because coconut starts with C and C is consonant. There are plural, a or an. We don't use a or an with plural here. So, exactly, some. There are some carrots in the fridge. The last one, number five, I need cheese. Cheese here is countable or uncountable. Can I say three cheeses? No, I can't. So it's uncountable, which means the answer is some. I need some cheese for my spaghetti. Perfect. Let's look at that one, that question. Okay, I need you to look at it and answer it. Okay, what? Read and answer the question. What do you need to make chocolate milk? I'm gonna answer this one. Okay, as you see, I need some milk and some chocolate. Some milk, uncountable milk, and uncountable chocolate. So I used here some. For you, I need you to complete them by asking your mothers about how to make an omelette or what things we need to do or to put in our sandwiches by using a, an, and some. This is your turn. You have to do it at home and tell me in the class what did you do. Finally, thank you so much. I hope it useful and you can use some a and an in the sentences. Have a nice time and see you. Bye.